Hello, my name is Vijay. Welcome to the next session on how to capture beautiful pictures. In this video, we will learn about the background. Background in the image is as important as the subject of the image. Beautiful and clean background, free of distractions, complements and elevates the subject in the picture. Observe the picture of the Asian bar outlet. This picture is an example of image ruined by distracting background. How to get a clean background that elevates the subject of your picture. Fill the frame with the subject by zooming in. Blur the background to elevate the subject. Increase the distance between the subject and the background for a cleaner and better background. Color contrast the background with the subject. Create a black background by using flash or highlighting the subject. Use motion blur to highlight the main subject. Remove unwanted elements and distractions. Use clean, natural and green backgrounds for bird photographs. Fill the majority of the frame with the subject, either zooming or moving closer to the subject. This will help to remove unwanted elements in the picture. The three images shown here are an example of zooming in to get a clean background. Observe the picture of an old chair, cycle wheel and a blue tie. The image is cluttered, ordinary, with no clear point of interest. We can make this a better image by changing the rusty cycle wheel with the blue dinosaur as the primary point of interest and zooming in to remove other elements in the background. Observe the images of the skylark and the booted warbler. Both have a clean, natural, green and clutter-free background, which elevates subjects of the images. In both of the images, background is contributing to the image and making your primary subject stand out. Observe the image of pink-colored flowers and how the blue background is elevating the flowers. By selecting the opposite or contrasting color for the background, the subject is elevated or highlighted, capturing the attention of the viewer. A single brown colored leaf among the lush green leaves and then grass attracts the attention of the viewer. Observe the image of yellow colored tulip bulb. The background contains a clean, uniform yellow color created from the similar tulip bulbs. The yellow color background elevates the main subject. Another example of creating a background of similar color to the primary point of interest. Using a flash on the main point of interest or the subject, the flower and teddy bear are highlighted while the background is dark. This helps create a black background and works well for elevating the main subject of the image. Observe the picture of the bird, green bee eater. The second picture is edited version of the same shot but with the distracting elements removed out in editing. Which of these pictures look best? In the edited image, the distracting branches are removed. As you can see, the bird is elevated instantly in the second picture. While shooting the image, look around the subject and the corners of your camera frame and reframe or move around to remove the distractions. Please note that I am against adding or removing elements in all the bird and wildlife images. The image of the green bee eater is edited for illustration and learning purpose only. Another set of images showing how a clean background elevates the main subject. Use motion blur to separate the subject from background to elevate and highlight the subject. Motion blur in this case is created by photographer moving while the subject, the house, is constant and not moving. a couple of images to illustrate the importance of having a clean natural background. Make an explicit effort to get a clean background. After focusing on your subject, observe the background and edges of the frames and ask yourself, are there any distractions? Are there any unwanted elements in the picture? Are the elements in the background helping or causing a distraction? Is the background messy, causing soreness to the eye? Are there any branches, poles, rods, or things that are cutting or appearing like growing out of subject's head or neck or body? If you see above problems, move around or reframe the picture so that the elements are removed from the background. The background is as important as the subject. Remove unwanted elements or distractions. Clean, natural, and clutter-free background elevates your subject. Techniques to elevate the subject: zoom and fill the frame with the subject, blur the background from similar subject, color contrast background with the subject, black backgrounds using flash, use motion blur. Shoot 10 photographs in and around your surroundings. While shooting, keep in mind the rules discussed in previous videos and the rule discussed here: clean background. Review the images on a large screen. Did you get it right? Repeat the process. Thank you. Have fun shooting images. If you enjoy watching the videos, please like, share, or subscribe. Help others find the course. Thank you.